Alright, y'all. I got one last job before I move on to the mess test y'all have all been waiting for, I imagine. And that's to clean up this end of my main show area. I'm gonna be using my blue concept, standard concept. It's not the power drive one. So here we go. Alright, now I have one more thing I want to do in this video. I'm going to adjust the height. The car mats, or the mats I put in the car, which is just 2 tiles of commercial grade carpet. Old business card from company I helped. Yeah, these need to be extracted by a carpet cleaner. One with a hose, of course. Or one that is compact, like the Bissell over here, or the little green. But anyway, we're gonna vacuum these the best we can with the concept. It looks like the bag's a little dirty. Yeah, and I also greased the roller brush bearings in case you didn't notice. It sounds a lot more free now because, well, the roller brush bearings, like I was noticing that it would kind of get a little rough as it went along. So I was in here vacuuming after I had just used the Dyson because I know Dysons aren't the best of deep cleaners, so yeah. In fact, I still see a little bit left. I mean, Dysons, they do a good job. It's just, they could have been better. I gotta admit that at least. Seeing a little bit more dirt. It's probably some that got tracked up here. Something doesn't sound right. I hope it ain't what I think it is. Now, let's see. It very well could be. I just hope not. Let's put the roller brush in and see and make sure. Because I know sometimes these belts, they kind of stretch they kind of pull the brush roll out a bit too far. And that could lead to problems. So, hopefully, we don't have that same problem going on here. I don't trust the camera to not mess up. Like, if it does end up messing up, then I'll post the video and title it "What Happens When I Cut the Video," because it's one of those things, gotta see it to believe it. Okay, we'll only clip the plate once, just in case, because I want to see what could be going on here. Just put this one up. Yeah, let's see. I guess it was nothing. Okay, we'll go ahead and put it the rest of the way on. Alright, well, I guess it was just the way it was put in, or something, but anyway, I guess tell me how y'all liked it, tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I will be uploading some mess tests for the subscribers I have got. I think we went up from 778 to 804. So let me go ahead and do the math. I believe that would be 5 mess tests. I'll be doing it in one video. I'm probably not gonna do a big mess test, because I don't know if I have right amount of dirt, but if I do, then we will. But if I don't, then they won't be able to be big mess tests. I mean, I'll probably sift through the dirt in the Dyson just to get out any heavy objects, because I will be using some direct air vacuums. So there's a little note right there, like the Concept or the Supreme Power Drive, possibly the Kirby or a Sanitary, or even the Royal. Well, the Royal probably won't be too bad with some heavy objects, but I still don't want to do it because knock it off balance. So anyway, there's y'all something to look forward to, and again, hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and until next time, bye.